In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a quick free animated GIF image, a .gif. Now, we have a free piece of software you can download called Unfreeze, and all you do is you drop your images in here. So now this isn't going to really make much sense because I haven't given really any thought to the images, but what you would normally do is you would have some images that you would want in a sequence. So let's put these two frees and this, whatever this is, a monkey or a lion or something, in as an animated GIF. So it goes from this free to the animal here. So I'm just going to save the image. I'm going to save these three images to my desktop, and then we'll animate them. Okay, so this is the software we're using here. You can get it at whitesoftdev.com/ufreeze. No E on the end. And I gave you that URL in the documents. Okay, so let's open this ufreeze here. Then what we do is open our images in Explorer. Okay, and then what we do, we set the delay. The delay is in centiseconds. So that's 1/100th of a second is each centisecond. And whether you want to loop the animation. Okay, so what we do is we drag in our first image, and then we drag in our second image, and we drag in our third image, then we make an animated GIF file. Okay, now we save it. So we'll just call this animation. Okay, here it is here. Let's double click on this. Should come up in our browser. No, it happened so fast there. Let's make it again with a loop because it went so fast. Let's set this to loop. Okay, let's open it up again. Okay, so there you see that we have an animated GIF for all the sense it makes. Okay, so you can do a better job than that by using some related GIF images. Now, we could also slow this down. I mean, 1/10 of a second is pretty fast for these frames. So let's try to make this bigger. Let's say 2.5 seconds. And let's refresh this. Okay, so you get the idea. So that's how you can create your own animated GIFs for free.